Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. That light's weird. Or that one. We're gonna plant some ranunculus corns. We're gonna get them started, and we're also gonna try and get our tubers pre-started. I bought some dahlia tubers, one from Costco and one set from Home Depot. The ranunculuses that I got from Home Depot. So we're gonna start them and pre-sprout them. It is March the 15th today, and it's still snowing, still cold. But I heard somewhere that you can pre-sprout your tubers, your dahlia tubers. So here's the ones from Home Depot. And see if they're actually going to grow, to give them, to see if they're, instead of just putting them in the ground. So we're going to do them the same way we do our ranunculus and that. So we're going to check them all, and then we're going to put them all, and I'm just going to use these tins. I like these. I got this from Costco. I get a package, I think 30, and they're just great for the garden season. I start my snapdragons in it. Let me show you over here. I start my snapdragons in it. I also put my other stuff in it so that I can water it. So I really like that for starting my seeds. So what we're going to do is go ahead and start the ranunculus and the dahlias. So this is the ranunculuses that I got. It is 30 bulbs. I only had one ranunculus flower come up last season. I think I planted them too early, and then it got really cold, and then it was like crazy. So what I'm going to do this year is I'm going to pre-sprout them, and then I'm going to transplant them, and I'm going to put them under the grow lights. And I bought, Terry got me a little greenhouse too to sit outside, like just a little fabric one to go outside. So we're probably going to put them in the greenhouse so they get natural light. So what I'm going to do is fill this up with dirt. We just need to fill up the container with dirt. Now, these corms have been soaking for about 4 hours or so. They were really dry, but as you can see, they're really plump now, but they are really dry. They were dry. I should have taken a video before, but these little corms, you're just going to stick them with the little sides down in here. And you can put them close together because these are just going to sprout. It's going to take a couple weeks for these to sprout. And I'm going to try and get all 30 of them in this one tray. You can put them fairly close together because we are going to be moving them. We are going to have to uppot them before they actually go outside. I don't know if I'm going to put these ones in containers or if I'm going to leave them in the garden. So that's going to be to be determined. So what I'm going to do too is just get more dirt. And what I want to do is I just want to cover them. Just cover them up and we'll spray it with some water. We don't need to water them or anything. I just want to give them a little bit of spray. And then I'm going to put these in the corner, somewhere where it is cool and a bit dark. And then they should sprout in a couple weeks. We're going to do the same thing. These ones might be a little bit too big to put in here. I might be able to. We just want to put these, so we leave this up. I think we're only going to get 2 of them in here. Over here. So we want to bury this So we want to leave this. And we want to leave the little eyes, which I can't really see an eye, so that's why we're going to try and pre-sprout these. But we want to bury the tubers and leave the, so the eyes can come. So there we go. These have to stay in a warm area. Let's take a look at the ones from Costco. So these ones I think are smaller. Now I want to look at these ones to see. There is the, there, oh, we have one eye right there on here, so that's a good sign. This one here, do we have an eye on it? Doesn't look like it. There we go. It looks like we could get an eye. Oh, look at that. Got one right there. That's nice. This one, oh. We're getting some in there. Okay. This is a big tuber here. Oh, look at that. There's a nice eye right there. And this one is just broken off. This here, this is another one from Home Depot. So this is the variety that I got from Home Depot, the ball, and that's a Home Depot one there. And then the one that I got from Costco, it is the assortment. So there's the little eye right there. I want to keep that eye. So this one has an eye right there. And then let's put this one in here. I'm gonna put the other two in this one here. And I think that's gonna be all my soil that I have. So, what was it? Okay, so we potted, or we started all these dahlias here, and I'm going to leave them here and watch them as they grow. I'm pretty sure we put them under lights and that. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video on how to start your dahlias and ranunculuses. I also have seeded dahlias too that I did, which will be interesting to see the difference in the two. So like, subscribe, share, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.